Tired of losing your valuables? The Apple AirTag is the revolutionary Bluetooth tracker designed to bring peace of mind, making lost items a thing of the past. Imagine finding your misplaced keys not just in the house, but precisely knowing where they are, thanks to precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology. Your iPhone literally points you in the right direction, showing you distance and even an arrow. It's like a personalized treasure hunt, but for your wallet or backpack. Setting up this incredible device is ridiculously simple. With just one tap, your AirTag instantly pairs with your iPhone, ready to track. And don't worry about daily wear and tear. These trackers are built tough, boasting an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, perfect for active lifestyles. What truly sets AirTag apart is Apple's vast global Find My network, meaning billions of Apple devices anonymously help locate your item, even if it's miles away. This isn't just a gadget, it's a smart investment in convenience and security, and you can grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack right now via the Amazon link in the description. Think about the time and stress saved not having to search frantically for essentials before heading out the door. It's truly life-changing. For the best value and to secure all your important items, definitely consider the 4-pack option to cover everything from luggage to remote controls. If you're looking for the ultimate, most reliable tracker on the market, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have for 2025 and beyond. Highly recommended.